Ever feel that nagging worry in the back of your mind when you think about your crypto? You're not alone. With the digital asset landscape constantly evolving and the ever-present threat of hacks and scams, securing your precious coins and tokens is paramount. So, in this environment of heightened awareness, a crucial question arises for anyone serious about cryptocurrency: is the ELLIPAL Titan Mini a good wallet? We're not going to dive straight into technical specs or marketing jargon. Instead, let's think about what truly matters when it comes to a crypto hardware wallet. It's about peace of mind, isn't it? Knowing your private keys are shielded from the online world, protected by robust security measures. It's about user-friendliness, especially if you're new to the crypto space or simply prefer a seamless experience. And it's about versatility, the ability to manage a wide range of digital assets without juggling multiple devices. ELLIPAL has positioned itself as a key player in the hardware wallet arena, and the Titan Mini is one of their flagship offerings. It boasts a sleek, fully metal, tamper-proof design. This physical robustness isn't just for show, it's a tangible layer of security, making it resistant to physical breaches. Unlike some other hardware wallets that rely on USB connections to potentially vulnerable devices, the Titan Mini operates in a completely air-gapped environment. This means it communicates with the companion app solely through QR codes, significantly reducing the attack surface. This air gap is a core security feature that many crypto users prioritize. Beyond the physical and connectivity security, what about the user experience? The Titan Mini features a vibrant touchscreen, making navigation intuitive and straightforward. Setting up the device, managing your accounts, and initiating transactions are all handled through a clear and user-friendly interface. This is a significant advantage for those who find command line interfaces or complex button combinations daunting. The companion app, available on both iOS and Android, complements the hardware wallet seamlessly, allowing you to monitor your portfolio, receive and send transactions, and stay updated on market movements. Now, let's talk about the cryptocurrencies it supports. The ELLIPAL Titan Mini boasts compatibility with a vast array of digital assets, including major players like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, as well as numerous ERC-20 tokens and other blockchain networks. This broad support means you're less likely to need multiple hardware wallets to manage your diverse crypto holdings. Of course, no product is perfect, and it's essential to consider potential drawbacks. While the air-gapped nature enhances security, it does mean that transaction signing involves scanning QR codes, which might be slightly less convenient than a direct USB connection for some users. Additionally, the Titan Mini is a premium device, and its price point reflects its advanced security features and robust build quality. This might make it less accessible to users on a tight budget. However, when weighing the pros and cons, the emphasis on security and user-friendliness makes a compelling case for the ELLIPAL Titan Mini as a strong contender in the hardware wallet market. The air-gap design, coupled with the tamper-proof casing and intuitive touchscreen interface, provides a robust and accessible solution for safeguarding your digital assets. The wide range of supported cryptocurrencies further enhances its appeal for users with diverse portfolios. Ultimately, the goodness of a wallet depends on individual needs and priorities. If security and ease of use are paramount, and you're comfortable with the QR code transaction signing process, the ELLIPAL Titan Mini is undoubtedly a wallet worth serious consideration. It offers a significant step up in security compared to software wallets and provides a user-friendly experience that doesn't compromise on protection. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.